How to remove my AI on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll explain on how to remove my AI from Snapchat. Currently, Snapchat support has stated that only Snapchat Plus subscribers can unpin or remove my AI. It's possible that this may change in the future. So if you have Snapchat Plus, you can remove my AI by swiping over to your chat and then press and hold the AI to bring up some options. From there, go to chat and notification settings, where you should find an option to clear it from your chat feed that is highlighted in red color. Simply tap on it, and the chat feed, your AI will be cleared from your chat feed and it won't be visible in your chat section. If you're not satisfied with how this feature is currently set up, you can provide feedback. Click on Clear to confirm, and you can see that the conversation with my AI has been cleared from a chat section. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.